whoa. Hey.
Wait, what?
Hey, yo, bruh!
Hey, bro, you got a phone call.
What?
What is that?
Huh?
Wait a minute.
What the heck? What happened? Very nice. My name is Jeff.
I got an idea.
Huh?
Hello, guys.
What is that?
Now, I tell you what, we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
Let's go! Yes!
Oh, baby, a triple.
Hey, bro, you got a phone call.
Easy!
Yahoo!
It's no problem.
Okay. Wait a minute.
What the heck? Okay. My name is Jeff.
Yes!
Very nice.
Hello.
Hey, yo, bruh!
Alright.
Okay.
Are we ready? Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah.
Are we ready? Easy!
Alright.
Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Wow, it's very nice.
How you doing? Wait.
All my damage.
Yeah, baby.
Now, I tell you what, we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
Here we go! Alright.
So easy.
Okay.
Hey, bro, watch your jet.
Oh God, it's so good. Very nice.
Oh man, what the?
Really?
Okay.
Easy way?
It's amazing.